In this video, I'm breaking down the traits that actually make someone a great software engineer. Most people think it's about writing code fast, being exceptional at problem solving. Those things help, but they're not what separates great software engineers from the rest. By the way, I'm Kos, a software engineer in big tech, and today I'm going to share 3 key skills and habits that will make you a much better software engineer. If there's one thing that defines great software engineers, it's that they never stop learning. Tech is a fast-moving industry. There are new tools and technologies that are coming out all the time. Whether this is something like new JavaScript frameworks, or even something like all of the new AI tools that are coming out every couple weeks, these are all trends that software engineers need to keep up with in order to keep their skills sharp. Now, I'm not saying just to keep up with the hottest technologies and trends that are coming out. I would argue it's even more crucial to go back and revisit the fundamentals. Topics like operating systems, databases, networking, distributed systems. Having a good understanding of these topics will compound over your entire software engineering career. Now, how do you go about doing this? Pick one thing that you're really interested in learning about. Let's say you want to learn about relational databases. Just spend a couple weeks looking into the topic, whether that's watching YouTube lectures, reading articles online. Tools today like ChatGPT and NotebookLM are great resources in order to explore a topic and dive deep. Here's an even better way to go about it. Whatever tasks you're already doing at work, just go a little beyond the task where you deepen your knowledge in that particular domain. Let's say your task is to add a global secondary index to your DynamoDB table. Instead of just going and implementing the task by just adding the index, maybe go learn about the different types of indices, different consistency guarantees they provide. The reason this is super helpful is you're just doing a little bit more work on the task you're already working on. And by gaining these little nuggets of knowledge, over time, you're going to build this knowledge graph of information that's just going to make you that much better of an engineer. A bonus tip before you even start learning a new topic is to look into how to learn how to learn. This is a skill that people call meta-learning, and there are different techniques involved like active recall, chunking. There's a great course on this online by Barbara Oakley called Learning How to Learn. The skills that you learn in this course will apply to any topic you decide to pursue in the future. I'll link the course down in the description, check it out. Now, while it's important to always keep your skills sharp, without this next point, continuous learning completely breaks down. Intellectual honesty is being accurate about what you actually understand, both to yourself and other people. It means being comfortable saying, I don't know, I understand this at a high level, but I don't get all of the details just yet. When you're quick to tell yourself that you understand something, that's when learning quietly stops. Great engineers don't grow faster because they know a lot of things. They grow faster because they acknowledge the gaps in their knowledge. The way you can apply this is whenever you learn something new, ask yourself, could I explain this simply to someone else without hiding behind buzzwords? Being honest with yourself and other people about whether you understand something and admitting that you have gaps in your knowledge also builds trust with everyone that you work with. And once you're intellectually honest, something else becomes very clear. Understanding things isn't enough. Great engineers are able to explain the same idea differently depending on who they're talking to. In tech companies, a lot of engineering problems aren't really technical. They're communication problems. When you fail to communicate at the right level as an engineer, decisions slow down and people will begin to either completely tune you out or start losing trust in you. Before you explain something to someone, the key question to ask yourself is, what does this person actually care about? If you're talking to a tech lead or a senior engineer, you can go deeper into low-level implementation details and architectural concerns. If you're talking to your manager, focus on things like project risk, delivery, and ownership. And with a junior engineer, simplify the mental model and give them clear next steps. Explaining something simply and concisely actually requires a deep understanding of the underlying system. So don't go in with the mindset that you're dumbing things down. At the end of the day, great software engineers are not defined by how much code they write. They're defined by how well they learn, how honest they are about what they don't know, and how they communicate what they know to other people. I'm Kos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.